Okay. Okay.
Oh my God.
This is the table of science. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put you on goggles. We have a lab coat.
So you put them on.
How confused can you be?
So this is 35% hydrogen peroxide. It's very dangerous stuff.
Okay.
What is in this little container right here is called potassium iodide. It is a catalyst.
Right.
A catalyst makes the reaction go faster.
Great.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix these two together, and we're gonna make a reaction go really fast. I want you to do it like a little closer down here. I don't want it to splash anywhere, right?
And then
So,
you have to run.
We're gonna do it on 3, 2, 1. Pull. Back up, back up. All right, so we're gonna make our way over here. We got one more.
Okay.
And this is all you, buddy. We have two things here. We have liquid nitrogen, which is negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit. It's very cold. We have boiling hot water over here. Put this on.
That?
Oh yeah, safety first. You're gonna try to get all of that hot water into this trash can all in one swoop.
Without dying.
Without dying.
Okay.
And then you're gonna back up
Run.
as fast as you
Oh my God.
Really?
Jump and run, Howie.
Yeah.
I think you
What?
should count him down, though. I need to count
Why
down.
is everybody going away?
Howie, be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful. Nervous.
All right, on 3,
3,
2, 1. This is where you give your best mad scientist. Everybody for Howie.
I know.
I really thought with that big poof that you were going to disappear.
Let's give him critiques with the balloons.
I really want you to come back and make Howie disappear, so I'm just giving you a second.